I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do a extreme declutter and clean up my kitchen. So you guys have been really enjoying my decluttering videos. One of my most watched video on my channel is my extreme KonMari declutter of my closet. That's from my old house. And then a newly kind of video that's taken off a little bit that I put up a few weeks ago was cleaning out my office. So you guys have really been enjoying that, and hello and thank you to all my new subscribers that have found me through those videos. I really appreciate you guys clicking that subscribe button and tagging along on my journey. So today I thought I would share a cleaning and decluttering of my kitchen. So we have lived in this house for not quite a year yet. I think we're at like 8 or 9 months, I'm not sure, and we got rid of a lot when we moved, but stuff has kind of migrated and just not been completely organized. We kind of just put everything up in the cupboards, and that was sort of it. My fridge needs to be cleaned out, and some of my cupboards need to be cleaned out. I do want to make like a note and say that we don't have a pantry. Okay, I had to stop because my fiance was about to walk in the house. So I do want to make a note that we do not have a pantry in this house, so we've had to use some of our cupboard space as a pantry. And we also, like, this is it for the kitchen. We are going to eventually put in an island in the middle, and that'll be more storage. And then I really want to back here make a pantry and like a little like homework nook kind of thing over here by the window, but that's kind of down the line when we get to that project. So what you're gonna see in this video is it for the kitchen, but the appliances are new and all the cabinets are new. Everything is new in the house. It was a flipped house when we bought it. So yeah, let's get getting into it. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I do want to like make sure I get everything cleaned up. It's kind of been neglected for a little bit. We've been having a couple busy months. My sister got married and Colton turned 2, and it was the summer, and like, who wants to clean their house in the summer? Not me. I don't want to clean my house anytime, but making videos for you guys like actually motivates me to clean. So I actually am glad that I'm having a chance to get back into making videos, because it actually motivates me to actually get shit clean in my house. So if you guys are interested in seeing me declutter and clean up my kitchen, keep on watching. I thought I'd show you guys first like what we have going on in here, because it's kind of nuts. We just got back from a weekend away up north at our cottage, so there's some stuff from like, we made some food last night after we got home, so it's kind of all sitting out here. We have like coffee and whatnot. I need to empty out the dishwasher, and then these are the cupboards. So like, this is kind of like random crap. This is like snacks, food, dishes, like spices and oils and stuff. This is like baking and random. This is like mixing bowls and measuring bowls and whatnot. This is all Colton stuff, so like sippy cups and his little plates and whatnot. This is kind of random also. There's like a strainer in there, there's cutting boards in there, just kind of random. The normal like cleaning supplies, our dishwasher, our stove. This is like pots and pans and whatnot, and then up here is like Tupperware and food storage stuff. This is the only drawers we have in the kitchen. This is like the one thing that I like really hate. I can deal with not having a pantry. That's not like a super normal thing in Canada, but I really can't stand that all we have is the 4 drawers. So that is one thing that I'm gonna be looking forward to when we redo the other side of the kitchen. And then this is also some random things. There's like our pressure cooker, some food storage things in here also. So yeah, and then we have one of the double fridges with the sliding, it's like the slide out freezer, but you guys will see that. So I'm gonna clean it all out and see, like, as you can see, we don't have a pantry, so like our drinks and stuff have to be here because there's not really anywhere else to put them if they don't all fit in the fridge. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up first, and then I also will take you guys over here and clean this. It's just this all recycling and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up first, empty out the dishwasher, and then we'll get going.
I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
like you just don't care. Did I do something terribly wrong? What am I to do? Where am I to go? You had me closing every door, but now it seems you don't bother anymore. And if you keep on treating me like I'm a stranger, tell me I just don't know. My heart tells me to stay, but your eyes tell me to leave. So baby, can you say what do you mean? I wanna hear you say don't walk away. Tell me these are the words that I need to hear. Where are you going? Can I go to? Tell me, ooh, don't walk away. Ooh, don't walk away. We were more than a lover's affair, but then you started treating me this way. Did I do something terribly wrong? What am I to do? Where am I to go? My heart tells me to stay, but your eyes tell me to leave. So baby, can you say what do you need? I wanna hear you say don't walk away. Tell me these are the words that I need to hear. Where are you going? Can I go to? Tell me, ooh, don't walk away. Ooh, don't walk away. I wanna hear you say, hear you say. Where are you going? Can I come to? Tell me, ooh, don't walk away. Ooh, don't walk away. I wanna hear you say don't walk away. Tell me these are the words that I need to hear. Where are you going? Can I go to? Tell me, ooh, don't walk away. Ooh, don't walk away. Tell me, ooh, don't walk away. Ooh, don't walk away.
All right, I am done. So my camera died like 3 or 4 times while I was filming this, so I know a couple things got cut off, but I will kind of just quickly go over everything. So I cleared off as much as I needed to from the counters. This is my bouquet from my sister's wedding from last weekend. I went through Colton's stuff and got rid of the things that I know that I won't be using or won't want to keep or hand off to someone else. We got rid of all those. Everything else is stuff we use. The one thing I didn't get to is the cleaning supplies, and that's just because I don't have anything that I need for down there. I need some like organization stuff. So I think I'm gonna make a separate video on that cupboard, which I know is kind of a thing on YouTube anyway, so I will do that. Then I have this cupboard. Has like bowls and measuring cups as usual. I actually have an empty shelf now. There are some like vitamins and medicine up here, so Colton can't reach them, but I can put something there now. And then up here is like reusable cups and things like that. So like the sort of like summery plastic cups for like parties. There's some water bottles and things like that. Up here I didn't have to get rid of much. It's just baking stuff and like my mixer, like my hand mixer and stuff. There's our microwave, our stove. I do need to clean the stainless. I haven't got to that either, but Colton is awake, so I have to finish up the video. So I just have some Halloween candy in a little jar there, some Jack Daniels just because it kind of matched the like decor. And we really need a new knife block. This is from our old house and we had like wood cabinets there, so it matched, but it totally does not match in this kitchen anymore. And my exposure is like way off. There we go. Okay, so then in here it's the same. I didn't really have to get rid of much. It's just like oils and what's it called, like spices and whatnot. Same with this cupboard. I didn't have to get rid of anything. It's just like our plates and cups and stuff. This cabinet I got rid of a ton. There was so much stuff in here that we weren't using. So this is essentially like our pantry. So there's just like stuffing mix and things and pasta and sauces and whatnot. Rice and crackers, more pasta, some soups, and then sort of like pastas and sauces and bagels and whatnot. Here, my battery is dying again. I think I just need a new battery. This cabinet, I threw out almost everything. A lot of the stuff was expired, or I knew we weren't gonna eat, we just weren't into anymore. So I have like no snacks for work or anything now. So we have to go shopping. Nothing down here got rid of. That was all fine, all stuff that I actually use. You saw me clean out the fridge though, which looks so much better. I wiped all that down and got rid of some things that we weren't using or were expired. And then I actually recently went through our freezer and got rid of a bunch of things and have been trying to like shop out of our freezer, so there really isn't much. It's a little messy just because it's hard to organize in here, but it's mostly just like frozen chicken and like french fries, and there's like some waffles and meatballs and frozen vegetables. So that's the only freezer we have. We don't have like a chest freezer, so what's there is there. So I also mopped, but I think my camera cut you guys off of that too. So there is the kitchen. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out of focus. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I really hope that you've been enjoying the decluttering and cleaning videos. I think that you guys are. If you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That will keep you updated on what I have going on. There's also a little bell that you can hit for notifications, or you should get a notification that I upload a new video. I try to upload once a week, but I am a busy mom, but I'm trying to stay on schedule. So hopefully one video a week. I want to bump up to 2, but I'm not making any promises. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.